wife's going to kill me. I see it. My son just went under the chair. What I was supposed to do, I changed it a little bit, so they're probably going to kill me. Because I have 4 daughters, I could never figure out how every time we were at a restaurant, every time a woman would get up, she'd have to bring another woman with her. And I couldn't figure it out. So I did a little checking, and one of my other regular jobs is to check restaurants. And the women use more toilet paper than you would believe. And I couldn't understand that. Until I went and I asked a few women, they said, well, first you have to put the paper all around the toilet seat. Makes sense to me? Then, after you're done, I said, well, why do you always ask another woman to go with you, or another to go with you? Well, I figured it out. And it was basically, besides putting the lipstick on and making sure their hems were straight, every once in a while, as you know, a woman will come out of the ladies' room or walk to her table with a dress stuck in her pants. That's why they bring the other lady with them and pull it out of their pants. Stop laughing. But what I really was intending to do originally was that you all have heard the song 101 times. You know, I think Bo Diddley started it. It was Hambo. Gonna buy you a diamond ring. If that diamond ring don't shine, I'm gonna buy you a bottle of wine. If that bottle of wine gets broke, I'm gonna buy you an nanny goat. And if that nanny goat runs away, I'm going to spank your bum dear. And with that, no peeking.